These might be small, but these little insects play a huge role in our world. When you think of bees, you probably picture them buzzing around flowers, collecting nectar and pollen. But bees are so much more than just cute pollinators. They're essential to our environment and even our food supply. Let's dive into why bees are some of the most important creatures on Earth. First of all, bees are the ultimate workers. They're constantly busy collecting pollen and nectar to bring back to their hives. But did you know that while they're doing this, they're also performing one of the most important jobs on the planet: pollination. Pollination is the process where bees transfer pollen from one flower to another, allowing plants to reproduce. Without this process, many of the foods we love, like fruits, vegetables, and nuts, wouldn't be able to grow. In fact, around 1/3 of the food we eat depends on pollinators like bees. That's right. The next time you bite into an apple or enjoy a handful of almonds, you can thank bees for making it possible. But bees don't just help us with food. They're also critical to the health of the entire ecosystem. By pollinating plants, bees ensure that other animals and insects have the food they need to survive. For example, many animals rely on the plants that bees pollinate for shelter and sustenance. In turn, these animals become food for larger creatures, creating a balanced food chain. So, in a way, bees help maintain the balance of life itself. Bees are also responsible for producing honey, which has been cherished by humans for thousands of years. Honey is more than just a sweet treat. It has countless benefits for our health. It's packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, and has natural antibacterial properties. People have used honey for medicinal purposes, from soothing sore throats to healing wounds. But the production of honey isn't just about humans. Bees rely on honey to feed themselves, especially during the winter months when flowers aren't in bloom. They store it in their hives, creating a sweet and vital food source for the whole colony. The social structure of a bee colony is another fascinating aspect of these creatures. Inside the hive, there's a strict hierarchy. The queen bee is the leader of the colony, responsible for laying eggs and ensuring the survival of the hive. Worker bees, which are all females, do all the heavy lifting, from foraging for nectar to defending the hive. Male bees, called drones, have a single job: to mate with the queen. This level of organization and teamwork is impressive, and it's what allows a bee colony to function so efficiently. Unfortunately, bees are facing major threats. Pesticides, habitat loss, climate change, and diseases are all contributing to the decline in bee populations. If we don't take action, we could face a future where bees are no longer around to pollinate our crops and maintain our ecosystems.